Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to unbox this Kyosho Fantom PZF T-33 pan car kit. So let's get started. Alright, as you can tell, it wasn't a huge box. This is not a huge car. Let's look at the body here. This is quite small. It's 1/12 scale. And this is going to be my first pan car kit, and I'm looking forward to it. It's like something that's completely new to me. Looking forward to building this. And here are the foam tires. These are pre-glued, and the rear wheels are larger than the front wheels. And here are the parts bags. Let me just set this aside and see what else is in here first. So we have the manual, and we have the decal sheet, and we also have some other decals on the back here. So let's set those aside. Alright, we're going to do this unboxing a little bit differently. I'm going to show you what is inside the bags based on the manual. As you can see, bag A is for this first step, and then bag B is for the second and third, etc. So bag A contains the parts for the knuckle arms, and I see the front knuckles, parts for the axle, as well as ball bearings, and I think this is going to be the wheel wrench. And in the B parts bag, this is going to be for the front drive. If you can look here, it's basically the front steering, upper arms, lower arms, and also the bulkhead. And you can see we're going to mount the steering knuckles to what we build with the B parts bag. Of course, this is part of the front of the chassis, a couple brackets right here. Alright, and I believe this is part of the chain drive. Alright, the C parts bag contains a big piece of the chassis right here, and we can look, it's going to be part of the steering tie rod, servo saver, as well as mounting the front drive to the chassis, and also the servo mount, etc. And this kit does require a mini servo. It's a little bit smaller than the standard size servo, and I'll show that when we are building the kit. So that's C parts bag. In the D parts bag, we're going to find parts for step 9, which is going to be the motor mount. This is basically the rear bulkhead, if you want to think of it that way. The motor mount is going to be, I think, these two pieces right there. So D parts bag is going to contain parts for the motor mount as well as the upper deck. So that's a D parts bag. In the E parts bag, this is going to be parts with the ball differential as well as parts for the chain and also the shocks. So that's going to be all in this bag right here. There's only one shock. And it's also going to contain the chain, which is right here, and you can see the ball diff parts right there. And there's also the antenna, which I might actually use for this build, because I've seen people use the antenna kind of like as a handle, and I thought that was pretty interesting. And of course, we looked at the body already, and the body, the decals, and then the manual also contains some information how to tune the car according to traction. There's a whole learning curve that I'm going to have to understand if I want to race this car or get to know it a little bit better, and I'm actually kind of excited. It's something totally new completely different from touring cars, which is going to be fun. So I'm looking forward to building this Kyosho Fantom PZF T-33 pan car kit. And I will start this build and I'll put out the build series for everyone. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.